Introduction to APIs. Every medicine you take has a secret behind its effectiveness. Active Pharmaceutical Ingredients, or APIs. These are the biologically active components in drugs, responsible for delivering the desired therapeutic effect. But what exactly are APIs and why are they so important in pharmaceuticals? What are APIs? APIs are the key ingredients that make medications work. They are synthesized using advanced chemical and biological processes to ensure precision, potency, and safety. Whether derived from natural sources or created through complex synthesis, APIs are the cornerstone of modern drug development. Types of APIs. APIs, or active pharmaceutical ingredients, can be categorized into various types, each with its own unique characteristics and methods of production. Natural APIs are extracted from plants, animals, or microorganisms. These natural sources provide a rich variety of compounds that can be used in medications. Synthetic APIs are created through chemical reactions in controlled environments. This allows for precise control over the chemical structure and purity of the final product. Biotech APIs are made using cutting-edge technologies like fermentation or genetic engineering. These advanced methods enable the production of complex molecules that are difficult to synthesize chemically. Importance of high-quality APIs. The quality of active pharmaceutical ingredients, or APIs, determines the efficacy and safety of the final drug. High-quality APIs must meet stringent standards for purity and consistency. These standards ensure that every batch of medication is safe and effective for consumer use. This is why trusted suppliers play a crucial role in the pharmaceutical supply chain, providing reliable and consistent ingredients, ensuring APIs are manufactured under strict regulatory compliance. This adherence to regulations guarantees the highest quality and safety for the end products. BOC Sciences API products and custom synthesis. At BOC Sciences, we specialize in a wide range of API products from small molecules to biotech-derived APIs. Our extensive catalog includes a variety of high-quality compounds designed to meet the diverse needs of the pharmaceutical industry. Besides, we offer custom synthesis services tailored to meet your specific requirements, ensuring that each project is handled with precision and expertise. Our team is dedicated to ensuring high quality and timely delivery, so you can rely on us for consistent and dependable service. Visit our website or contact us today to learn how we can support your pharmaceutical journey. Let BOC Sciences be your trusted partner in innovation and excellence.